So what I'm reviewing today is Sal's Tacos. So what I got was the crispy taco combination plate that came with 2 tacos. I got 1 steak, 1 chicken. It came with refried beans and rice. I got that good old guacamole, and I got that menudo. So what we gonna try first is these good old crispy tacos. So the tacos is pretty much the meat of your choice: lettuce, cheese, and that good old pico. Some of that good old sauce, that good old green sauce. Chicken, beef, chicken, beef, beef, chicken, chicken, beef, chicken. Beef.